Indian Air Force today is the fourth largest air force in the world and a force to reckon with. This transformation would not have been possible without the invaluable contributions of our veterans and the various units towards operational preparedness and security of a nation. The presidential colors that we're talking about is the highest and most prestigious honor bestowed upon units of the armed forces who have made such contributions. Now let me give you a brief background of Southern Air Command, under which Sulur comes, Air Force Station Sulur itself, and the recipient units of the presidential colors. Now, due to the change in geopolitical situation around the southern peninsula during the early 80s, which you are quite aware of, a need was felt to have an air command in the region. Thus, the Southern Air Command, with its headquarters at Thiruvananthapuram, was raised on 19th July 1984, and it is the youngest amongst all the Air Force commands. The formation of this command and units under it enables quick deployment of combat forces to cater for sudden threats developing in the Indian Ocean region, Peninsula India, as well as the island territories including Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep and Minicoy Islands. Southern Air Command is the lead Indian Air Force command for disaster mitigation in the coastal areas and island territories, and has undertaken humanitarian assistance and disaster relief operations in a very highly professional manner. The recent occasions being Oki cyclone in December 17, this affected parts of Kanyakumari also, Theni forest fire in March 2018, and recently Kerala floods last year. As we speak today, I am glad to report that our helicopters have been successful in dousing the recent fire at Bandipur forest, which you are aware of. Almost 32,000 kilograms of water has been dumped from helicopters to douse the fire. Coming to the airbase here at Sulur, it has a history of its own. I'm sure you know that. It was constructed by the Royal Navy in 1942. The airfield was first commissioned in 1942-43 during World War II and was placed under the then Southeast Asia Command. The airfield was taken over by the Indian Air Force in 1956 as a care and maintenance unit, and on 17 June 1985, 43 Wing under Southern Air Command was established at Sulur along with 5 base repair depot. The station is presently commanded by Air Commander A.K. Puntambekar, who is sitting on my left. The wing is host to 33 Squadron operating the AN-32 aircraft, which